Hey, 360 Electrician, thanks for joining me. 3 tips for your apprentices, things you should do right now. Number 1, go learn something new. The best thing you can offer your company is to do something or learn something that the other guys aren't doing. That's one big, strong thing that you have. Why do I say that? You're still learning. You're probably younger, I'm guessing. You're probably younger than most of the journeymen, because to get a journeyman, you got minimum 4 years in California. And to be honest with you, 8 years is about what it's going to take to become a master electrician. Some people are faster, some people are slower. But to really get to a journeyman level, so I think you're pretty young. That means your brain works a little bit better. You're more tech savvy. Go learn low voltage. Go learn how to splice, connect, and troubleshoot Cat 5, Cat 6, RG6, telephones. If your company doesn't do that right now, they just concentrate on electrical, you just opened up a whole new revenue of income for your company. And that means hopefully more revenue in your pocket. Go learn something new. Low voltage, it's a good thing to do. Tip number 2, go find new customers. Every time you go to eat at a fast food restaurant, every time you go shopping, every time you're with family or friends, get your business card for the company you work at. Let him know, hey man, I'm working at this company. If there's anything you guys ever need or anything I can do for you, I can talk to my boss, I can get you a deal, whatever it is, be the contact person. Bring in more business for the company you work for. There's nothing more that's gonna shine. You're gonna be the apple of everybody's eye when you bring the money. Money is customers. Customers are money. Everybody you talk to, be a walking billboard. Be excited about where you work. Tip number 2, bring in new customers. Tip number 3, find something to sell. Now, if you're an apprentice, usually you're the one that's going in the attic or crawling under the crawl space, right? So what do? You look for stuff to sell. What you're always doing as an apprentice is, of course, you're listening to your boss or your journeyman. But the next thing that you're doing on the field is you're looking for more work. You're looking to upsell things. Don't lie, don't cheat. You don't need that. There's enough work to go around. It'll come back to bite you in the ass. Trust me. Do the right thing. Find stuff. If you go into an attic and you find open junction boxes with wires sticking out all over the place, that's a fire hazard. That's a safety issue. Take a picture with your smartphone, show the journeyman or tell your boss. Your boss will talk to the customer and sell it. That's the number 1 thing that you can do for your boss to be impressed, to like you. Because let's be honest, we're all going to work at the end of the day to make money. You're going to work to better yourself to make more money. You're not going because you have nothing to do all day. You got bills to pay. You need to pay those bills. The only way you're going to do that is to make more money. The only way you're making more money is if your boss is making more money, right? Find things to sell. Hey, I really hope you liked that video. I know being an apprentice in the electrical trade, HVAC or plumbing, is sometimes tough. But listen, if this is something you've chose for your life path, you really need to start right now to get good habits and to really be the best electrician that you could be. So listen, if you like this video, hit the like button, and please, most of all, subscribe, because we're going to bring you a lot more videos like this to come. This is just the beginning. Imagine where we're going to be in 6 months. I plan to take you apprentices from apprentice to master to even business owner, if that's what you want to do. Later on, I'll be inviting people to even come down to Southern California to our warehouse and kind of see what we do. We have so many tips and tricks and things that we've learned over the past 15 years. I really can't wait to teach you guys. So again, please like this video or subscribe. If you have other electrician friends, HVAC or plumbing friends, or business owners that are going to benefit from this, especially when I get to my marketing plan, do it now. We'll be doing a bunch of cool stuff coming up. Thanks for watching.
Go take it to the job. By the end of the week, I'll take it.
Dave doesn't know how to drive stick. We give him a car to go home, free gas, free mileage, everything. He doesn't know how to drive stick. Oh, hey, Dave.